Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jamie. Today we're making hot chocolate bombs. Here's a list of things you'll need. Now let's get cooking. Step 1, you're going to want to melt your chocolate of choice. You can either use an electric chocolate melter like I'm using or a double broiler, or you can even melt it in your microwave, but you have to be very careful that you don't burn your chocolate. You also want to stir it to make sure it just does not burn, because chocolate burns easily. Step 2 is you want to get your silicone molds ready. As you can see, I have cut them into individual sizes, and as you can see, it's easier to pour the chocolate in to fill the mold and then pour the excess chocolate back into your melting pot. And you go ahead and repeat this process with however many molds you have. Step 3, you want to put your molds on a tray and put them in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes or until they're fully set. Step 4, you want to take the molds out of the refrigerator when they are all set and slowly and carefully start pulling the mold away from the chocolate shell and put them on a plate like I have. Step 5, you want to take some of your empty chocolate shells and fill them with powdered hot chocolate and marshmallows if you like. You repeat the process with how many shells you have. You don't want to fill all of them. Step 6, I did not film, but you want to take an empty piping bag or a gallon-sized plastic baggie and make a piping bag. Pour some of your leftover chocolate in the piping bag and cut a small hole at the tip of the bag. This is so you can glue the seams of the shells together. Step 7, take your other empty chocolate shells and put them on top of the filled chocolate shells. Take your chocolate piping bag and put chocolate around the seam of the shell. Take your finger and smooth the chocolate out, and put that chocolate bomb aside and repeat the process with the rest of your shells. Step 8, you want to take your finished hot chocolate bombs and drizzle chocolate over them. You can add sprinkles or colored sanding sugar over the chocolate drizzle and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Jamie's kitchen is closed.